How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor Raptor linear visor light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here, and you'll notice a connector. And this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your two main power cables here, and then you'll have your white backlight LED cable here, and then your aux line where you can connect up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your grand control box. Now with our optional grand control, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons, so you'll have dual flash pattern memory, you'll have your pattern changer button, your TD button, your aux button, your dim functionality, and your backlight button. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using our grand control box where you'll have your power button, you have your mode 1 where I have one flash pattern saved, and then mode 2 where I have a second flash pattern saved, so you have dual flash pattern memory. And then here you have your pattern changer button, which works whether you're in mode 1 or mode 2 to change flash patterns. Then you have your TD button, which will activate your two white takedown lights here, and we do offer a multicolor upgrade here. And then you have your aux button, and then you have your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs of your light bar. And then you have your backlight button here, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And that function can be activated via the button or your white cable via Hardwire. So here I have a red-blue color example, but we do offer these models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear color unit, and then in the middle I brought an amber clear, and then up front I brought a red blue. But again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle, you can use our customization tool. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. Now another really cool feature of our multicolor visor bars is you can run your units in multicolor, primary, or secondary colors by using your built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I have a red, blue, amber color model. So in mode 1, I have a multicolor flash pattern programmed. And then in mode 2, I have a primary color flash pattern programmed. And since this is a red, blue, amber, red, blue will be my primary color. Now if I wanted to program a secondary color flash pattern, I'll go ahead and cycle to the secondary color patterns, and then that will save in mode 2. And then I still have my multicolor pattern programmed in mode 1. So you do have that functionality to run multicolor, primary, or secondary colors in mode 1 and mode 2 via your optional grand control, or you can hardwire that functionality. When it comes to using our optional grand control, you can activate the red backlight LEDs via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire. Now if you use your white cable to hardwire, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll get your included universal mounting brackets, and those will attach via the back track of your visor bar. And then you'll have your bottom screw holes here if you need to use the base mounting brackets. And we also offer optional vehicle specific mounting brackets and our optional windshield visor extender. So that covers our MultiColor Raptor linear visor light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive players to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.